Okay, so we are going to do lesson 9. So first we have multiply and divide by exponents, okay? So use your place value chart to put in the first factor, the first parts. Okay, so write 4 in the ones column. 4 in the ones column. Elian, mask up, turn around. 4 in the ones column. Quickly, Sophie. And 5 in the tenths column. So you should have 4 ones, 5 tenths. How do we say this number? Elian, write it down. 4 and 5 tenths. Okay? So now we're going to multiply it by 10 to the power of 2. So we would have 4 and 5 tenths times 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so because we're multiplying, and because we're multiplying by a power of 10, we're just going to shift, right? Okay, so since we're multiplying, are we shifting to the left or to the right? Are we shifting to the left or to the right? To the left. Good. How many times? 2 times, because there's 2 powers of 10. Okay, so 4 in the ones is going to shift 2 times to the left. So that would be 1, 2. So now you have 4 in the hundred place. Okay, next one, 5 tenths. It's going to shift 2 times for 2 powers of 10 and to the left because we're multiplying. So ready? 1, 2. So we now have 5 in the 10 place. How many ones? 0. Decimals right after the 1 place. So we now have 450. That is our answer. Okay? All right, go ahead and wipe off your board. Now let's do some rounding. Okay, so write this number down. 412 times 231. 412 times 231. Write it on your whiteboard. Ready? 5, 4. Good job, Luna. Good job, Mohammed. 3. Good job, Sophie. 2, 1. Okay, so we're going to estimate our product. So we're going to estimate an answer, meaning we're going to round each factor. So 412. Should we round it down to 400 or up to 500? Down. So 400. So now the second factor. Should we round it down to 200 or up to 300? Down to 200. Okay, so now we're going to solve for this. 400 times 200. Sophie?
800.
What's 4 times 2?
800.
8. We have 2 powers of 10 here and 2 more powers of 10 here. So we're going to plug in 4 powers of 10 in our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're close, Sophie. 80,000. You need to be ready. Okay, ready for another one? Okay, this next one on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. 523 times 298. 523 times 298. Okay, so we're going to round each factor. So the first factor, we have 523. So should we round down to 500 or round up to 600?
500.
500. Okay, so now the next factor, 298. Should we round down to 200 or up to 300? Closer to 300, right? So 300. Okay, so now let's multiply. So let's solve 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. How many powers of 10 do we need to plug in?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our product is 150,000. Any guesses? Thank you. Okay. Awesome job. That's all of our fluency for today. I'm coming around with your
Yes. Exit ticket.
not exit ticket, your problem set paper. But we're doing it together. Because it's all word problems. Well, you can go ahead. If you feel confident enough, you can go ahead.
Nicely.
You can sleep after you finish the problem set.
Wait, for real?
Okay, so now, you're going to have an exit ticket. Okay, so take out your pencil, name on your paper. Oh, sorry, you already have one. Name on your paper.
Are we doing the back side too? If there is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. So first we have, sorry, let me wipe off the board. So problem number 1. An office space in New York City measures 48 feet by 56 feet. If it sells for $565 per square foot, what is the total cost of the space, of the office space? So there's an office space. An office usually looks like an office room, right? An office room usually has like 4 sides, 4 walls. So to find the space of the office space, first let's draw what it would look like. So let's draw a rectangle. And let's plug in our measurements. What are our measurements for the office space?
Wait, is it area or perimeter?
Area. What are our measurements?
48 by 56.
48 feet by 56 feet. Okay?
48 times 56.
So let's say this one's the 48 feet and this one's the 56 feet. Okay?
Can I say how much?
So in order to find the area, we need to use the equation. Area equals length times the width. Noah.
It equals 2,688.
2,688. That's what Noah said. I'm going to check. Oh, good morning, Thomas. Okay, so set up your standard algorithm and let's solve.
Yeah, there's no way I'm doing this on that.
Oh my goodness. I'm okay, thank you. Okay, so we would have 56 times 48, length times width. So 56 times 48. You've seen this, right? Thomas, we're on problem 1, okay? Okay, did you set it up? You wrote it down? Elian? Elian, you got this one? 56 times 48. Did you write it down?
8 times 60. You're not believe.
Okay, so let's start multiplying. So now start on the bottom right, so the ones place. So 8 times 6,
48.
48. So 8 here, carry the 4. Yes, Ariana.
What does L and W stand for?
Length, width. So this is the length, this is the width. Okay, so now we have 8 times 5. Are you raising your hand? Noah? 40 plus 4.
Equals 44.
44. So 448 is your first partial product. And then I crossed out this digit so I don't accidentally use it again. Okay, now we have 4 in the 10 place that we're going to multiply times 56. So because this is 410, let's plug in our power of 10 first in the next row and then multiply. 4 times 6.
24.
4 here, carry the 2 up there. 4 times 5.
Equals
20 plus 2. 22. 22. Because we don't have any more digits to multiply, now we add them together.
8, 8, 6, 2.
Was Noah correct?
Yes.
Yes, he was. Awesome job, Noah.
Good estimate.
Okay, so we know the area of the office space. Now, if it sells for $565 per square foot, and there's 2,688 square feet, what is the total cost of the office space? So what do we need to do now with this and this?
We need to times them.
We need to times the square feet times the cost. So now another one, 2,688 times 565. Sophie, that's good. Thank you. Got it, Liam? Okay, so we start on the bottom right. So we're starting with 5 times what?
8.
5 times 8. Okay, 5 times 8 is
40.
40. So 0 here, carry the 4. Okay, now we have 5 times 8 again. Which is 40. 40 plus 4. Sophie, focus. 40 plus 4 is 44. So 4 here, carry the 4. Thank you. Okay, so now we have 5 times 6. 30. So now 30 plus 4, 34. So 4 here, carry the 3. Okay, now we have 5 times 2. 10 plus 3.
13.
13 down here because we don't have any more digits to carry it over to. Okay, that's our first part. Now I'm going to cross these out so I don't accidentally use them again. Now we're multiplying the 10 place. How many 10 do we have? We have 6 tens or 60, right? So first let's plug in our power of 10 for 60. And then let's do 6 times each digit. Okay, 6 times 8. Ariana,
48.
do you need to go to the bathroom or do you need to go to sick room and call? Okay, keep multiplying.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go. Let's see. Sorry, thank you for waiting patiently. Okay. All right, so we were at
Stop here.
6 times 8,
Where did I 48.
48. So 8 here. Carry the 4 above the 8, 10. Got it, Sophie? Okay, so now 6 times 8. 48. 48 plus 4.
44.
52. 48 for 9, 54, 52. So 2 here. Carry the 5. Okay, 6 times 6.
36.
36 plus 5. 41.
41.
41, so 1 here. Carry the 4. No, it's right there. Okay, so now we have 6 times 2. 12 plus 4. 16. So 16 down here because we don't have any more digits to carry over to. Oh, we're not done. I almost put plus. Now I'm going to cross these out so I don't accidentally use them again. And now we have 500 to multiply times each digit. So 500 has how many powers of 10?
2.
2 powers of 10. So we need to plug in 2 powers of 10 here. 1, 2, that looks like a 6. And then we can multiply 5 times each digit. Okay, so now 5 times 8. 40. So 0 there. Carry the 4. Okay, 5 times 8. 40. 40 plus 4. 44. So 4 here. Carry the 4. 5 times 6. 30. 30 plus 4.
34.
34. So 4 here. Carry the 3. 5 times 2. 10 plus 3. 13. Right here. Okay, since we're done multiplying, now we need to add it all together. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0.
0.
4 plus 8 plus 0. 4 plus 8.
32.
Close. 4 plus 8.
12.
12. So 2 here, carry the 1. Okay, 1 plus 4 plus 2. 7 here.
Is the answer of 1,506,020?
I don't know yet. 3 plus 1 plus 4.
8.
8. Right here. 1 plus 6 plus 4. 11. 1 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 3. Bye, Ariana.
5.
5. 0 plus 1, 1. 1,518,720.
I mean, it was pretty close. I got 1,506,020. That's pretty close.
Okay.
But it wasn't correct. This one passed.
All right.
And it started going in. Because I did it like this.
Okay, did we answer the question? What is the total cost of the office space?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I believe so, we did. So now, let's write our final sentence. The selling
room.
price
I would
is
not pay for that much.
$1,518,720 in New York City.
I wouldn't pay this much. I think that's a good one. Yeah, I would only pay that much if I got 1,000 feet. In both on the height, width, length.
Okay, got it?
Hold on. Nope. Yep, I got it. 1,500.
Okay, next we are doing problem. Problem 2. Problem 2. Gemma and Leah.
You're kidding me.
Ready?
I don't have enough.
Okay. Alright, Gemma and Leah. We already got all of that. Goodbye. Okay. Alright, so Gemma and Leah are both jewelry makers. Gemma made 106 beaded necklaces. Leah made 39 more necklaces than Gemma. Question A. Each necklace they make has exactly 104 beads on it. How many beads did both girls use altogether while making their necklaces? Okay. So we need to figure out how many beads each person made, right?
But we're gonna need to.
So we know how many necklaces Gemma made, right? Okay, so Gemma made 106 necklaces. Leah
made 145 necklaces. I did the math.
Okay, so Leah made more than Gemma, right? So how would you figure out how many Leah made?
You add the amount off of Jenna's.
So you would add 39 more to 106.
149.
Okay.
140. I wonder how long it took
145.
to make all these. Yeah, 145. Making
So 145 necklaces. Necklaces.
Wait, how much money did it cost?
Necklaces.
That's my curiosity. Probably like.
Okay, so now in order to solve A, we will need to do what? How many beads did each girl use? So we know how many beads are in each necklace.
Do you want the total amount of all the necklaces? Because I also have that down.
Not yet. Okay, so each necklace has 104 beads. So one necklace will have 104 beads. So two necklaces would have 208 beads. Three necklaces would have 312 beads. Does that make sense? So in order to figure out, Gemma made 106 necklaces, and each necklace has 104 beads on it. We are going to multiply 106 times 104 to figure out Gemma's, okay? You got this one? Write it down. Thank you. Okay, so let's start multiplying. So 4 times 6.
Is 24.
24. So 2 here, 4 there. 24. Okay, so now we have 4 times 0.
0.
0 plus 2.
2.
2.
4.
4 times 1.
4.
4. Okay, I'm going to cross that out, the 2 out, so I don't accidentally use it again on the top. Now we have 106 times 0
Equals 0.
equals 0, right? Oh, this is good.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh. Okay, so that'd be 0, right? So now we have 100 times 106.
Oh gosh, I'm sick. You're not
Okay,
making that
how many
up.
powers of 10 are in 100? 100 has 2 powers of 10. So first we need to plug in 2 powers of 10. And then we can do 1 times each digit. 1 times 6,
6.
6.
That's 0.
1 times 0,
Is 1.
0.
Oh.
1 times 1,
1.
1. Do we have any more digits to multiply? No. So now we can add. Okay, 4 plus 0.
4. 4.
2 plus 0.
2.
4 plus 6.
10.
So 0 here, carry the 1 right there. 1 plus 0.
1.
0 plus 1.
1.
Okay, so how many beads did Gemma use?
Where's everyone?
11,000. Wasn't feeling good, so she went home.
In 34 beads.
Okay, so Gemma used, or I'll just write Gemma 11,024. Okay,
Keep on writing it.
so we need to figure out both girls, right? So the other girl is Leah. So Leah, using the same steps from last time, made how many necklaces?
15.
Close. She made 145.
Close.
Yeah, you had a 5 and a 1 in there. Okay, so each necklace has how many beads?
145.
No, she made 145 necklaces.
104.
104. Good. So we're going to multiply it by 104. Okay, you ready to multiply?
Yep. Sure.
Okay, always start down here on the right. So 4 ones. 4 times 5.
20.
20. So 0 here, carry the 2 right there. Write it down, Sophie. Okay, so now we have 4 times 4.
16.
16 plus 2.
18.
18. So 8 here, carry the 1. 4 plus times 1. 4 plus 1. 5. 5 right here. So 580 is our first partial product. Now I'm going to cross out this one and that 2 so we don't accidentally use them again. Okay, so now we would have 0, 10 times 145. So we would have 0, 10, 0 times 5, 0. 0 times 4, 0. 0 times 1, 0.
0.
For this one?
0.
Okay, what'd you get?
I got 15,080.
Alright, we'll see. Okay, so now we have 100 times 145. First, we need to plug in our powers of 10. How many powers of 10 are in 100? How many zeros? 2. So plug in your 2 powers of 10 first. And now let's multiply. 1 times 5. 5. 1 times 4. 4 here.
I got
1 times 1?
1.
1. Okay, now we don't have any more digits to multiply, so now we add. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0,
0.
0. 8 plus 0 plus 0,
8.
5 plus 5,
10.
10. So 0, carry the 1.
1 plus 4. 5.
Okay, so 0.
We're not doing it on paper the whole time?
Yeah, when you left, we started on the paper. 4, that's okay, plus 1, because I know you did it. 4 plus 1,
It's 5.
5.
And it's 1.
0 plus 1,
1.
1.
And I think I was correct.
Yep, Noah matches. So Leah made, that's her name, right? Yeah, Leah used 15,080 beads. Okay, so the question is, how many beads did both girls use all together?
Oh.
So all together, so it means we need to put it all together, right? So to put it all together, we're going to add them. So we have 11,024.
My answer is 26,000. I don't think it was 100. It was.
And then 15,080.
My answer that I got was 26,104.
Okay.
I need to get my eyes checked.
Yeah, we're adding because we're putting them all together. Okay, starting on the right side, 0 plus 4. 4. 2 plus 8. 10. So 0 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0.
Oh my gosh.
1.
That's a lot of beads.
1 plus 5.
How expensive was it?
6. 1 plus 1. 2. How many beads did both girls use?
26,104 like I asked.
26,104. This is our final answer to answering the question for part A. Okay?
Yeah, there's 2 parts.
Yeah, then there's part B. So
They're
next,
selling their necklaces. I was working on both parts at the same time because I thought that one above was part A and the one at the bottom was part B.
okay, so for exit ticket, you have questions. You only need to answer A and B on the exit ticket. Okay? Questions? So don't worry about C and D. Just A and B. Which questions do you need to do? A and B.
On the back?
On exit ticket when I bring it to you. Okay,